So hey there everyone, back again with another video. Good to see you all and hope you are all safe and fine out there. In today's video, it's going to be very interesting wherein we are going to see a tutorial on how to reset your Windows PC. Many of us are wondering on how to reset your PC without using an original Windows DVD or new Windows software that you have one in hand. So without Windows OS 10, it is pretty much easy to reset your Windows without a Windows DVD or Windows image. So this should be an actually pretty interesting content because you don't lose your files and this is going to be very safe and clean out there. So before going into the video, a content warning or a disclaimer before, please do ensure that you have a backup of Windows C drive before proceeding it to reset your PC. So first of all, click on the start menu and select settings. Click on update and security. Navigate to the recovery tab on your left. Click on get started under the reset this PC section. Here you will be prompted with two options. Very important to note. 1. Keep my files, and 2. Remove everything. Ensure you select the right option, and keep my files will keep your all files intact but remove apps and settings. And if you want to remove completely and want a clean installation of Windows PC, then select remove everything option. Again a disclaimer, please ensure you back up your data before proceeding it right away. So in my case, we are going to keep my files and I don't want to factory reset my PC entirely. Then you will be asked for two options, whether you can download the Windows from cloud and install Windows through Cloud OS, or if you want to opt for a local install of Windows. So these are the two options you will get. So right now I don't have Windows OS installer on my device, so I will go with an option to cloud install. This will take about 4 GB of data to download, and make sure you have adequate download bandwidth. Click next, and this will of course take a few minutes to get to Windows install on a PC from cloud. Right, so here you see a set of notes before resetting your PC. This will reset the settings back to the defaults and will keep your personal files and install Windows. Remove all apps and programs, and this will take some time to download, which is around 3.5 GB of data, and to install. So here my download is started right now. There are several reasons why you might need to reset. In my case, I just wanted to speed up my PC and it is getting me damn slow, and that's where I found this option. So it's a go-to option wherein if you are a Windows user, you can readily reset your PC on the go and boost the performance of your PC. The friendly option that is available in Windows right now is this option, but again please ensure you do have a backup for the files from the C drive. Let's wait until the PC gets restarted. It's now getting reset, and in between you will see a few times system restart to complete the installation, which is normal. So that's it. Windows reset has been completed, and it's like logging into a computer for the first time. Seems like that, but it's not the case. Strangely, the password that you have set previously is being retained, and you need to log in with the same password, and it is not the account security, it is being removed. Yes, of course, this is the good feature that Windows has brought up while resetting the PC, and I like that too. Once you log in, you will have a fresh and boosted PC now. I can see that the PC has improved its performance. Now you will be able to see the removed apps list from your PC before that was available, and review what has been missed and what needs to be installed again. So that's it up for the video today. Hope you have learned something new of this tutorial. thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time. Take care.